after the video, I will demonstrate to you, and then you will do it, okay? Don't be afraid to do what you think is right, because we are here, teachers are here to help you. And if you want it in the hand, we can be the victims too. Your revenge, okay? So, what is the safety lateral position? We can have two choices. First, we must doing the victim exam, and then we must to make the assessment. Did the victim don't breathe? Okay, we will start the CPR and call for help. 911 in Portugal is 112. Okay? The victim breathe. Okay, let's put it in the safety lateral position. Okay? So, for you have a better understanding of why are you doing that, we will explain what is the safety lateral position. The safety lateral position is the technique used to place an unconscious but breathing. It's very important, this detail. The person is breathing in a safe position to keep the airway clean. It's one of the goals, and prevent fluid expiration. What are the goals of the safety lateral position? First, keep the airway open. It's very important. Then, prevent expiration or vomit or fluid. Protect the person from possible further injury and facilitate breathing and circulation. Okay? Any doubts? Okay. Keep away. When to use this position? When a person is unconscious but breathing, and it's very important these two. She don't have apparently spinal injuries, okay? Because if you think it's possible she have spinal injuries, we don't move the victim, okay? It's a rule very important. In cases of drug or alcohol overdose, after fainting, and in emergency situations where the person cannot be held upright. Okay? Any doubts? Okay, so you know when you must do it, this procedure. Now, how to do it? You know what it is, you know where you must do it, now how will you do it? First step, check responsiveness. You can call the person and check what they respond, okay? Then you can call for help. If the person don't respond you, call for the emergency service, 911 or 112. And then we will put the person in the right position. You place the arm closer to you in a right angle, and you will see it. Then bring the opposite arm across the chest and bring the future leg, and carefully, don't move brusque movements, it must be careful. Roll the person towards to you, and then you will adjust the head to ensure that the airway is open. It's very important to keep the airway open. You have here the image, and now you will see a movie. You can pass. Okay. One moment, please. Now we don't want to go to the sound is scenario and oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So we will prepare the scenario and how we do it. We will do it one by one. I will do first. I will be victim and then I will be the nurse for the job. Okay? Yes. I'm going to approach and I will see if she is breathing. Okay, she's breathing. I will take all the things that could make, and I see the pockets if there are a phone. Then I put this arm like that, a right angle with the body of the victim, and I will secure this hand, and this hand will be here, okay? And my hand is keeping here. I will start this leg, and then I will do this movement, okay? This leg will be a support for the body don't came back, and I will see it if she is breathing, and I can make this position of his head for a better breathing, okay? Marta, you have survived. Any doubts?
No. Your watch is under your, yeah.
Sorry, thank you. Oh. No one. So, are you prepared to do this?
Yes.
Okay, please come. We have prepared two scenes where it can be 4 students each time training. Okay? Each teacher will stay with the 2 students. For your should I no.
Stand here and
Go. Okay. Can you pay more for that?
We have to do this differently.
So. Good. Very good.
What's the code?
We have just the leg, right?
Now, to stabilize. And you are doing very well. Congrats. Now you change. You are the victim.
You okay?
No. It's bad. It's very important this leg stay as support for the body don't come. Okay. And here you can feel the real weight of a person. It's not a model, it's a real person. And you can feel how the body moves. Okay, more too?
You're very written, yeah? To join me. There is no.
She's not an easy victim. Okay, yes, good.
It could be a scenario, yeah.
Thank you. Can they be facing down? Thank you.
You're really not easy.
I think it's important we put this leg right here, okay, to don't let the body goes
Yeah.
or then she will stay with the mouth and she don't eat. Okay? No problem.
Thank you.
Now is the payment.